Alright, so today I'm going to review the laptop stand. This is a laptop stand that elevates the laptop, and it's actually quite useful because if you don't have room for a standing desk, this can actually replace that, because it will raise the laptop higher and you can actually stand and work on the laptop if that is what you want to do. And since, like me, I don't have room to buy a laptop stand because I already have another desk, this actually fits perfectly. So I bought this from Amazon, laptop stand. Came like this, and we're gonna open it and see how it is. So this is the instructions that's in the back, and just raise it up, and pretty simple. You can put it in the laptop. It's made of aluminum, has a pretty decent look to it. So I'll open this and be back in a jiffy. Alright, so this is how it looks like. Came straight out of the box, real flat, and the instruction is to raise it up. So ease it up, and then you raise it up again. Now you have something that looks like this. Oops, sorry about that. So you have something like that. I'll put a laptop on it. You can see how it looks. So we can raise it higher, and we'll take a look at it. Alright, so this is how it looks like. I'll put my laptop on top. So basically, this is how it was raised. You just put this on top. You have a standing laptop. I think you can raise it even higher, so I'm going to try to see if I can do that. Give me 1 second. Alright, so I'm going to raise it a little bit higher. Take this off. You can actually raise it even higher. So this is the highest. This will be the highest. This. Then you put it on top. But this will bend, it will fall. So you raise it all the way up. See, it will fall. So you have to have an angle. You have to have an angle like this. Maybe like that. Slightly angle at least. Now what will be? This will be the highest length of it. So just not too bad. Still pretty high compared to everything else.
Alright, so I've used this stand for a couple of days and I really do like it. I really like that it's raised up and it doesn't take that much room on the desk, so you can actually put other things below it. So far, I think for the price, which is less than $20, it's well worth it. If you want to stay upright and not sit down so much, especially when you're working long hours on your laptop. So I give it a good rating on this one.
Alright, so if you like this product, I did leave the link below so you can go ahead and buy it from Amazon. And if you like this video, please do like and subscribe. Leave me any comments below, and I hope to see you in the next review video. Take care, guys.